Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE fast charging not working. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open battery and device care. Now here click on battery and here scroll down and click on more battery settings. Now here you will see a fast charging button. So turn on this fast charging button and after that go back and open software update. Now here click on download and install to update your mobile software. And after updating, go back. Now go back, open your home screen and then scroll down and restart your mobile.